Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the truth about getting rich quick. Now, cue the intro. Now, a lot of people are trying to get rich quick. And guess what? It's just not going to happen. I see so many people posting on Facebook groups, and this is the reason why I wanted to make this video. I see so many people on Facebook groups just trying to sell their stuff where nobody even knows them. They're just trying to do this without any sort of value of any sort, just trying to make a quick buck, maybe scam some people. Especially on affiliate marketing groups, because affiliate marketing seems like an easy business to get into. All you have to do is post a link and you get some money, but it does not work like that. And like most people, this is what they're trying to do. So if you go on affiliate marketing groups, there's a ton of groups that are just trying to sell some stuff and they're never ever gonna make it. If you want to do this, you just have to get a job. You just go there, you get paid at the end of the month, and it just works like that. But if you're into affiliate marketing, you have to actually put in value, and I made a video about this. So make sure that you do check this out. I'll put it in the link in the description as well as at the end of this video. So you just have to put in some value and give value to people. So make sure that you do check that video if you want to know what this is about. You see, if you're a farmer and you're trying to plant anything, it just takes months and sometimes years to grow plants or trees that can actually make you some money to make a living. And you do not get results overnight. It doesn't work like that. You don't post a video and you'll make some money, or a link and you make some money. That's the worst thing that people can do, and I see it all the bloody time. I always see people posting links on these like Facebook groups all the time, and that's just not the way to go. So if you're one of these people, make sure that you watch this video till the end as well as the other video, because it's really important to know that. So going back to that farmer analogy, making money online is the same thing. So you go on YouTube and you see all these people making a ton of money and like living the dream, having all sorts of fancy cars, having like traveling all around the world, and it looks like they're doing nothing all the time. Well, guess what? They've gone through some struggles that you can't even imagine. They've gone through, like most people have been broke before they went to start their business, and like they struggled so much before they got any sort of results. Some people made it pretty quick, maybe in 2 months, 3 months, but most of the people, it took them years and years and years to make it. So if you watch these people that said, okay, I made some money and I became a millionaire over a month, this may be true, but most people, it doesn't happen like that. And some of these people that became a millionaire over a month, they went for like 5 years, like hustling all of the time and making no results. And at the end of 4 or 5 years, they became a millionaire overnight. And they became that famous overnight success that you see all over the news that people like to talk about a lot. This guy was so lucky that he made it in a month from 0 to a millionaire. But what you don't see is that that person struggled so much before he made any money. And those people that became a millionaire overnight, they're not the people that just posted links on Facebook groups and on YouTube videos. So don't be one of these people, because you're just going to be so spammy that people do not like you. And when people don't like you, they're not going to buy from you. They're just going to do everything to buy from somebody else. So unless you're Amazon, you can't afford to have people hate you, because Amazon is very good at this and they have everything. So even if you don't like them, you have to order from them from time to time. But if you're not Amazon, you're not in the right place to do that sort of thing. So don't do that. Just get some value out and stop posting in those Facebook groups unless that you're trying to give a ton of value, and that's the way to make money in the end. If you want to make money online, you have to realize that it's 100% possible. You just have to put your mind to it, but you also have to know that it takes some work. There's no get rich quick instantly, and if there is, you're probably going to go broke very, very soon. So unless you're winning the lottery, which I wouldn't advise to do, because that's just let's just say you have to be lucky. So the best way, if you want to make money, is just to do this and just consistently put in the work, and then you'll get there. So get out of that get rich quick mentality and put in the work, even if you're not getting results, and one day you'll get there. So start putting all these things in the Facebook groups. It just looks like a scam. It probably is anyway. So if you're doing this, you're probably not watching this video. But if you are trying to make some real money and you're watching this video, you're lucky, because you'll see me telling you not to do it. So if you want to see the other video, which is very linked to this video, and you have to understand this process all the way, I'll put it in the end of this video, in the description as well, and the end of this video is coming right now. So make sure that you watch that video. There's a Facebook group that's in the description as well, so make sure you join that one, because I'm just filtering out all those spammy people. So there's just a ton of value in there, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.